Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of two fundamental concepts in process optimization: takt time and cycle time. Understanding these metrics is essential for maximizing productivity and meeting customer demand. My name is Luca, and welcome back to our channel all about using Lean Six Sigma to help you inspire, innovate, and improve. Now let's get started. First, let's clarify what takt time and cycle time actually mean and why they're crucial in various industries. Takt time is the heartbeat of production. It's the rate at which a product or service needs to be completed to satisfy customer demand. In simple terms, takt time is calculated by dividing the available production time by the customer demand. On the other hand, cycle time refers to the total time it takes to complete one cycle of a process from start to finish. It includes both the value-added time, where actual work is performed, and any non-value-added time, such as waiting or delays. Now let's explore these concepts in more detail and see how they impact operational efficiency. Takt time acts as a pacing mechanism for production, ensuring that output matches customer demand. By aligning production with takt time, organizations can avoid overproduction or underproduction, minimize inventory, and respond effectively to market fluctuations. Before moving on to the next part of this video, if you'd like to learn more about Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques, check out our book on Amazon. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Also consider supporting our work on Patreon. All links are in the description below. Cycle time, on the other hand, provides insights into the efficiency and performance of a process. By analyzing cycle time, organizations can identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and opportunities for improvement. Cycle time can vary depending on factors such as process complexity, resource availability, and workflow design. By reducing cycle time, organizations can increase throughput, improve customer responsiveness, and lower costs. So, why are takt time and cycle time so important, you might ask? Firstly, takt time and cycle time help organizations optimize their operations and resources. By synchronizing production with customer demand and minimizing cycle time, organizations can achieve greater efficiency and competitiveness. Secondly, takt time and cycle time provide valuable insights for capacity planning and resource allocation. By understanding the pace of production, the time required for each process step, organizations can optimize staffing, equipment usage, and workflow design. Lastly, takt time and cycle time serve as key performance indicators for monitoring and continuous improvement. By tracking these metrics over time and comparing them against targets, organizations can identify trends, diagnose issues, and implement corrective actions. And that's a wrap for today's video. Until next time, never stop improving.